बच्चों, so let's read this question. Which set of elements have strongest tendency to form anions? तो हमें बताना है which of the elements have the strongest tendencies to form anions. First is NaClAl or CuAgAu or BeFN or FClBr. तो हमें ये पता चलना चाहिए strongest tendency to form anions. It is talking about key concept. The tendency of an element to form anions increases from left to right across a period and from top to bottom and from top to bottom in the periodic table it decreases. So when we talk about the tendency of an element to form anions increases from left to right, or we can say across a period, and decreases down a group, which is our top to bottom. Now, when we talk about the tendency of an halogen to form an ion is the most, because जैसे ही वो एक इलेक्ट्रॉन लेगा it will have its noble gas configuration. तो हमारे जिस भी ऑप्शन में सारे halogens हैं, that would be the right answer to the question, and that is our fluorine, chromine and bromine. These are not all non-metals and they have a high or strong tendency to gain electrons, because अगर ये gain कर लेंगे electrons they will have a noble gas configuration, and among these अगर हम fluorine की बात करें it is the most electronegative element as well, and it has the strongest tendency to form anions क्योंकि उसका क्या है, एक तो वो exceptionally small in size है and it is the most electronegative atom as mentioned before. तो अगर हम बात करें so our option D will be the right answer, which states fluorine, chlorine and bromine, because these are all halogens, and वो एक इलेक्ट्रॉन गेन करके अपनी नोबल गैस इलेक्ट्रॉनिक कॉन्फ़िगरेशन पूरी कर सकता है. नाउ लेट अस आल्सो डिस्कस द अदर ऑप्शंस एज वेल फॉर द क्लैरिटी ऑफ द आंसर. हमें पता है जो हमारा सोडियम है इट इज यू नो अ मेटल, so it tends to lose one electron to form Na plus rather than you know to readily gain one electron, it loses electrons. And if we talk about chlorine, chlorine is a non-metal, तो ये आराम से हमारा जो है इलेक्ट्रॉन गेन कर लेता है और हमारा anion फॉर्म कर लेता है. Whereas Na being a metal, it loses electron and not gain electron. Okay, it loses electron. And aluminium again एक metal है, so again it will lose electron, not gain electron, and form a cation and not an anion. So अगर हम Cu की बात करें, Cu again is copper, silver and Au is also a metal. They again will lose electron to form cations and not anions. And if we talk about beryllium, beryllium is a metal again. It is a metal again. Again, it will, lose two electrons to form a cation, which is beryllium 2 plus ion. And fluorine and nitrogen is electronegative elements, or we can say non-metals. So fluorine readily gains one electron to form fluorine negative ions, और इसके बाद हमारी जो है इसकी नोबल गैस कॉन्फ़िगरेशन अटेन हो जाती है. बट नाइट्रोजन जो है हमारा नाइट्रोजन it forms covalent compounds by sharing. So it forms covalent compounds rather than simple ions. Rather than ions. तो देखो हमारा सोडियम AU बेरिलियम, दीज आर ऑल मेटल्स, तो ये कटायंस बनाएंगे बाय लूजिंग इलेक्ट्रॉन्स एंड नॉट एनायंस। सो ये तो वीक ही हो गए, तो हमें स्ट्रॉन्गेस्ट टेंडेंसी बतानी थी, तो हमने डिस्कस किया स्ट्रॉन्गेस्ट टेंडेंसी तो हमारी होगी जो कि होंगे हैलोजेंस हमारे। जैसे क्योंकि जैसे ही वो एक इलेक्ट्रॉन लूज करें, एक इलेक्ट्रॉन गेन करेंगे, दे विल हैव अ noble gas configuration. So हमारा option D will be the right answer to the question. I hope you understood the question well. Best of luck.